Use the most practical app to create cards, messages, images for your networks and more. Go to canva.com and you will find the home page. Read the options you have for you: presentations, social media, video, print, marketing, office. For example, I will choose social networks. You find popular, Instagram, Facebook among others. In this case I will choose Instagram. Instagram post. Here you will see the whole menu, choose the template that I like the most. I can now add text and move it around as you wish. If you click on the left side, in elements you can find lines and shapes, graphic elements, stickers, photos, videos. If you click on uploaded you can upload files from your computer, videos and audio as well. If you click on text, you will have these options. For example, click on add a title, add a subtitle. You can choose the one you want and change the text. Now click on more, and you will have these options: photos, style, audio, videos, background, graphic. Also gives you new options for use. Now you can make your presentations more enjoyable and creative.